The first thing we decided to do when we moved into this house was to get rid of these cabinet pulls. Now that's not a particularly exciting project, but what I discovered is that whoever installed these cabinets and these cabinet pulls didn't use any kind of template to determine where to make the holes. So I couldn't just use the template that I bought at Home Depot to attach these cabinet pulls that my real estate agent recommended when we sold our house. Since I couldn't use my template, I used a tiny little level and a pencil and just marked where to cut the next hole.
The cabinet surface is slick, so I use a really small drill bit to drill a pilot hole and then use my larger drill bit. If I just used the larger drill bit on its own, I'd probably miss the center of the circle I drew. Clean up my markings, and then it's just rinse and repeat, doing it over and over and over again. This isn't a perfect method, but our long-term plan is to replace all of these cabinets with something more attractive and elegant. That said, all the cabinet pulls look level and even to me. This is my new house in West Seattle. It's a century old, with half a century of deferred maintenance, and a couple of odd decisions by the last homeowner. Subscribe to my channel to catch all the different projects that I undertake to get this place updated.